Hi everyone, it's Zoe from Owasco RV. This is the new Brinkley 2900, the 2024. Come on, take a look inside. So first things first, when we come in here, we have this 19 cubic feet side-by-side French door fridge and freezer. We also have a nice residential sink with a drying rack for all of your dishes, and we have a 3-burner cooktop as well as an oven and a microwave. So if we go over to our living room area, we have this nice pop-up TV and a fireplace below. We also have this really cozy couch with outlets on both sides and 2 recliners here that are also heated that has a charging pad in the middle for your phone. If you walk over a little bit this way, you have your dinette with a booth that removes and also doubles as storage. So now we're going to go upstairs to the bathroom and bedroom area, so follow me. So now this brings me to our bathroom when we come up the stairs. We have our toilet here, nice big storage space here for all of your linens, a nice shower that also has a skylight for extra light there, with a little vanity here and mirror. It follows me right into the bedroom where we have plenty of storage for your wardrobe as well as drawers on the bottom. You have a nice big queen walk-around bed and a TV right here, as well as a second AC in your bedroom. Again, we have this Brinkley 2900 and many more here at Owasco RV in Bowmanville. You can come see me and book your appointments today to do an in-person walkthrough.